This is not Wisconsin, and this is not the 4-H, no way.
This is Maria Mendoza reporting to the campus of Brooklyn College, the site of this year's Wild Parrot Safari. How did parrots indigenous to Argentina find their way to Brooklyn? Are wild parrots in Brooklyn just another urban legend? Some parrots have the ability to imitate speech. We sent our cameraman out to investigate. Let's see what he found out.
What's going on? We're on Coney Island today. Go ahead.
Still shooting? Have you ever seen a wild parrot in Brooklyn?
What are you talking about, wild parrots in Brooklyn? Like in that Johnny Depp movie?
Exactly. The legend says that they came from a pirate ship.
That's bullshit.
So you never seen one?
I did. Up your sister's ass.
Forget about it!
If the parrots are here, why do you think they stay?
Well, you know, it's like a dog. Once it pisses on a spot, it's theirs. It is what it is, and that's that.
We're gonna go get some Spanish pork chops. The buttons are screaming. Let me out! Open up!
Horrible. You got that.
Instead of looking for parrots, you should be looking for girls. If you want to impress a girl, don't tell her she's beautiful. She's fucking heard that 1,000,000 times. Tell her this. Tell her last night I was jerking off. I was thinking about you. That'll really get her.
Easy, easy.
Excuse me, ever see wild parrots in Brooklyn?
Parrots? No, but I was dating this girl. Birds, huh? No, I was dating this girl in Brooklyn. She had birds all over her apartment. She had birds everywhere. Once in a while we would be fooling around. They might have got into her head because right when she was ready, she would make bird sounds. Stuff like that, you would not believe it. Is that it? Halftime!
At Dick's Last Resort in San Antonio Riverwalk, I had my beautiful gray suit on, and we were hosting a party. And the funniest thing, my boss Jade goes, "Hey, Rosado, what's it gonna take for you to jump in the river?" I go, "More business and a few $100. Cover the suit." I asked the bouncer how far was the water, how deep. He goes 3.5 feet. Bang, I'm in the water.
Took 20 hours to get there, so he starts unpacking. Meticulous guy, I'm a mess. I'm ordering hookers, he's unpacking. Neat as a, whatever it is, neat is. So he starts unpacking mousse, conditioner, shampoo. And I said, Smacks, what are you doing? You got 19 hair products and only 18 hairs on your head. What are you gonna do?
Hey, John, what's up?
Hey,
How's work?
All right, good. How are you?
Nothing much, man. What's up?
I went out last night.
Really? Where'd you go?
I went to Scores and met a nice stripper.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I told her I'd leave my wife and girlfriend for her.
Get out of here.
She's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
She a man?
She a man.
Yeah. I met strippers that are men.
No, but this is a place with women strippers. No.
Did you grab? Find
No,
out?
well, you know, she give you a lap dance. You know, of course she's a woman. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, not a man.
You sure?
Yeah,
You ever
positive.
been with a man before?
No.
Never?
No.
Come on.
No, I've never been with a man. What kind of question is that?
You know, sex is sex. Mount's a mount. What's the difference?
difference. I'm not attracted to men. They're not my thing.
Talking to a stripper, you don't know if she's a man.
Yeah, you can tell.
I've met, I'm telling you, I've been around a long time. All right? Come out the closet now. All right, it's dark in there. Put your hand on the door, push it out.
No, you think...
Or you're shaking now.
No.
Listen, don't lie.
No, I'm not lying. I'm not attracted to men. They're not my thing.
The worst lies are the lies you tell yourself. All right, right now, you're lying to yourself. You want me?
Do I want you?
Yeah.
No,
Oh, you staring at me?
I'm not staring at you.
Well, who are you staring at? The wall behind
No,
me?
we're having a conversation. I'm talking to you.
I get that feeling.
Get that feel what?
You know.
That I want you?
Yeah. Things could be tougher. Only a man knows what a man needs.
What's that supposed to be?
You know.
Nah, it was a woman. Trust me, it was a woman.
You ever been with a man?
Nah,
You're a liar. Don't lie.
I'm just not attracted to men, Bobby. They're not my
Come
thing.
on.
Men are not my thing.
Don't back me into a corner over this thing.
How am I backing you into a corner?
You know how that is.
Backing you into a corner. What is this?
Look, you know you want me.
Nah.
You ever go out drinking?
Yeah.
Get real drunk?
Yeah.
Feeling good?
Yeah, plenty of times.
Man rub a bar on you?
Yeah, you
Rub hard?
crowded bar. Rub hard.
That don't bother you?
Nah. What do you mean rub?
Listen, come out the closet. It's dark in there. All right? Come out the closet.
No, you think... Nah.
Put your hand on the door and push out. It's easy. Come out, wherever you are.
You ever been with a foot?
What are you talking about? What foot?
Oh, you asked me if I've ever been with a man. I asked you if you've ever been with a foot.
You're sick, man. Sick bastard.
Admit it, you like feet.
I like feet. I like women's feet. I like the toes.
That's why you never see the parrots. You're always looking down, looking for women with open-toed shoes.
What parrots? You're talking about men, right?
Perfect. One more time and you're
Come
done.
on, you mother.
We gotta get this. Let this lady pass.
Stop the nonsense.
Well, I didn't find anyone that knew about the wild parrots in Brooklyn. But I did find someone that looked like he could be the missing link. Or maybe an evolution dead end. He had T-Rex arms and looked like he bought his clothes at Baby Gap. But I couldn't get him on camera. I also couldn't get on camera a guy that I found that looked like he didn't need a Halloween mask. Camera shy. The little guy was one jean short of a midget. Definitely a nightmare for a tailor.
Well, there you have it. Fact or fiction, you decide.
I'm a child, and I'm in the wild tonight. Oh, tonight, get insane. Max K house party in my brain. You're standing next to me. All right. Our kingdom's the same.
That's lovely.
They don't know my name. I'm not as funny as I used to be. Back when the kingdom was a part of me. Oh, this